Ever looked at a sketch and thought, I wish I could do that? Whether it's a delicate flower, a coffee mug, or a complex 3D form, I'll guide you step by step and show you that drawing can be simple and fun. This complete beginner's drawing course is perfect for everyone. Whether you are hobby artists and anyone who's always wanted to improve their art skills, or even if you've never picked up a pencil seriously before, we'll start from scratch and build your skills step by step. You'll notice I'm using Photoshop in the lessons, and you might think this is only about digital drawing, but it's not. This course is all about learning to draw. Every process I teach works just as well with a pencil and paper, or even with any digital app. You're free to use any medium you like. I'm simply using Photoshop because it's the tool I'm most comfortable with for teaching. You'll learn how to draw basic shapes freehand, understand the importance of gesture drawing, explore contour drawing and cross-contour drawing, master shading techniques to add depth and realism, and build objects with simple forms. We'll practice with real-life objects, fruits, flowers, and everyday items so you can apply what you learn instantly. By the end of the course, you'll draw with more confidence, understand how to capture shapes and light, and develop a solid foundation you can build on for any art style you want. If you're excited to turn your ideas into real drawings, head over to the link in the description and get started with the full course today.